My man, what? Hey, yo, why you got a fire extinguisher, my man? Yo, what you got a fire extinguisher for?
They said the car was on fire.
No, because all that fire extinguishers inside the hallway.
Yeah, I grabbed it from the door. It was at the door.
No, there was a fire. Do you not? Were you not here for this earlier? The firefighters already came. Yeah, there was like a whole situation. They're the ones that put it out for. Yeah, put it outside.
This is already outside.
Yeah.
All right, so
He's
the
not
fire.
stealing it. He's not stealing it.
No, if the fire's inside, why you got it out here?
They said there was a fire outside. The firefighters put it for us. If we need something outside, that's why they put it right there.
It's all good. We're all he's not stealing it or anything.
All right, go ahead. Just go inside your unit before I call it in.
Come on.
No, you guys are good, bro.
Thomas inside.
It was those two guys that were causing the problem over by the Jeep.
Those two over there?
Yeah, they were antagonizing this guy. That was probably one of the extinguishers that was empty over there. Like I said, there was two. They probably
Yeah.
picked it up because he didn't know what was going on, but
Okay.
he didn't pull the extinguisher.
So this guy here don't live here?
No, I don't think so.
All right, so let me go downstairs to get let that we could get him downstairs.
I don't know if you want to grab that extinguisher or not.
No, he could stay right there.
Just wanted to get this out of the road.
Yeah. License plate. Got it.
Yeah.
What happened with those two right there?
I literally walked around the corner and they were trying to fight. So and then
They don't even live
I don't
here.
even know what happened. I came back.
that.
There's like 5 fire trucks out front.
Yeah.
So I don't even know.
I got you. I got it right
You
here.
got it?
How's it going?
Good, good.
My name is David. I'm the service manager here.
Oh, he's on.
Hey, this still car you run under 1507.
Okay.
They all got to leave.
Okay, they're right
They
here.
all got to leave. I told them that you come in here. They all got to leave.
No, not us.
No, not them. They
1507?
Yeah. But I will just show tomorrow. I'll let you know how it is. It's like
Hello? Y'all conducting a party here?
What's up?
Nothing, no? Y'all doing a party here?
No.
Yeah, they just told me that who's doing a party, everybody gotta go.
Yeah, they're leaving. He just told me. I'm trying.
Yeah, that just told me right now, so that's why I'm here.
Yeah, I'm telling them.
All right. Have a good night.
Thank you.
All right.
So we have witnesses that all said they had the party. So I get with the general manager. I'll be taking them there. Okay. I'm gonna walk the 4th floor and see how bad the 4th floor is. Yeah. All right, thank you. We keep in contact. I do apologize. This is gonna be here till Monday.
Yeah, that's what everybody's been saying, that they're only by the doors, so. But yeah, I just hope there's not a fire in here, because if you're missing tons of fire extinguishers in here now, so.
There was a fire?
No, there wasn't. No.
Oh, no. Damn. I thought there wasn't. That's why I just stayed in here, but there was a fire like on this floor.
No fire, it's just we're just taking the fire extinguishers and shooting them at the door.
Damn.
That's it.
Yeah,
Well, I appreciate it.
Have a good night.
Is that normally open like that?
Yeah, probably, yeah.
There's another one?
That was found over there by the garage door.
Oh my god. So that's 6.
Okay, so 6.
Oh, that one still survived there.
That one's alright.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, I guess for now we'll just, I don't know, you know exactly which one's the serial number on there?
Not really. There's some kind of still.
But is it? It might be the The B whatever or something over here.
Oh yeah, right over here, B7.
Right there.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, if once we get back over there, we'll write down all those,
Yeah.
and then we'll go from there. Okay.
It's crazy.
And hopefully that's the last one in here. And if you
Hopefully.
end up going around and find more,
Yeah.
we'll give you the card with the case number if you just want to call and
Okay.
just give the deputy at the district one desk
Yeah.
serial numbers, and he can send that over to us.
Okay.
So all this I think is to Joe. It's almost at the top of the camera, like holding it, and it's good enough for an order. There's the only attempt to identify order will be the only thing you have to do. Saying that they saw somebody with it. Like, you know what it is, this guy doesn't want to keep the fire zone, we can't really so we shouldn't stop them. And this one's a small one, so it's probably from the
Another,
room.
from another room, yeah.
I think. Okay.
Gotta be.
Okay. And this is to let the garage.
Yeah, it's like a right, yeah.
Did you get the other ones, I guess?
I'm just gonna go back over there again.
Okay. I mean, I can do it.
If you wanna go get those other ones, I'll get these three and I'll meet you.
Okay.
I just don't know. I'll just follow that. Back up to.